Okay, class, good morning. I will be giving you a demo on how you will be delivering a standard exercise. So I will be performing exercise number four. Okay, following the standard editing format of delivery for the exercises. Okay, we'll start with the step-by-step process up until item number 6. Okay, so I'll pan this. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is try to look at the layer and then be sure that it is docked at 0 layer. And then the first command is, okay, command rectangle. Okay, specify first point, lower left, and then specify another corner point, shift at 10, comma, 10, enter. Okay, and then the next is you have to offset this going in. Distance is 2, so offset, enter. Distance is 2, enter. Okay, so offset it inwards. Okay, and then this one, offset again, 0.5. Okay, going out, so select this one, drag it out, so you have this. Okay, so the next thing that you're going to do is create a line passing through endpoint top left, endpoint lower right. Next, another line, endpoint top right, endpoint lower left. Okay, so next, try to create a line, okay, passing through midsection here, midsection on top. Okay, and then offset this. Distance is 1.5, enter. So select this, offset it to the right, and then offset this to the left. Okay, now you can copy this below. Okay, CO, copy. Okay, select object. Okay, and then select the first point, end point, drag it down perpendicular. Be sure that it's perpendicular below. Okay, and then click, enter. Okay, and then create a line passing through here, horizontal at midpoint to midpoint. Okay, enter. Okay, and then offset O. Distance is 1.5, enter. I'll click it above and then select this also going down. Okay, and then mirror. You can actually create mirror or select copy. Okay, so in this case, let's use mirror. Select this one. Okay, enter. Mirror line is from the center, midsection. Okay, enter. Okay, so next, we need to offset this also at 1.5. So offset. Distance is 1.5. And then offset it top, offset it down. Okay, offset it here. And then offset it top left. Okay, and then you trim this part first. Okay, so TR. Okay, so remove this. Okay, so we have this one there. We have also this one. Okay, so just zoom in for proper viewing, class. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, zoom this part again for proper viewing to trim this. Be careful with your trim selection. And then the remaining excess lines, you can erase it. Okay, so Command E for erase. And then select it. Be careful with the selection. And then enter. So this is your final object. And then you can go now to F2. Okay, hit F2. Okay, so you can screenshot this reference. Okay, so maybe you can start with this one up. Okay, there. You can actually do a screenshot of this together with your figure. Okay, and then you save it first. And then let's proceed again. Okay, so we have to attach this on our title block. Okay, so attach this to our title block. I want you to create a line passing through lower left, top right. Okay, this is the insertion point at midpoint. Okay, and then move this, select object, enter, select midpoint, and then attach it on the midpoint of your reference line here. And then you erase this one. Okay, so now we are ready to come up with the layers. Now, since you have prepared your layers earlier, Okay, now you can adapt the layers here or assign the layers. Okay, looking at this object, okay, you start with the thickest weight that we can provide, which is L4. Going in must be a lighter shade of pen. Okay, so let's assign the layers. So just check if this is complete already. So we need to assign these layers here. Okay, let's start with this one. Okay, the boundary or the outside line, assign L4. Okay, going in, we have these two lines. Okay, you can assign this as L3. Okay, and then the last set of lines. Okay, so you can actually highlight everything. Okay, so you can highlight everything and then select everything here. Okay, okay, and then select red for L1. Now, if in this case, let's say for example, we forgot to layer this one, you can go here, match properties. Okay, you will be asked to select the source object. The source object is your current layer, this one. Okay, you can see the paint tool. Okay, and then match it to the areas wherein you wanted it to be with same property. Okay, and then enter. Now next, we need to come up with the dimension. So to set the dimensions first, okay, select down, dimension, and then let's edit the dimension first. So we have these instructions for the dimensions. So to edit it, let's type in here DIM. Okay, enter. Okay, so modify. Just follow the settings under lines. Since we are on the layer dimension, we have to assign dimensions by layer, extension line by layer. Okay, text, assign text color as yellow. Okay, and then text placement along vertical, select above, and then for the text alignment, ISO standard. Now, as you can see on your preview there on your screen, this changes, no, upon setting up the properties of your dimension. And then you go to primary units, change the precision into decimal points, okay, and then click OK. And then don't forget, since we edited the standard, set current, okay, and then close. Okay, so we are ready to work with the dimensions. So first thing that you're going to do is command dimension. First point, second point, drag it out at least 1 centimeter, click. Okay, so you have there the distance of 2. And then going here for your window here, type DIM, enter. Okay, select continue. Okay, select continue first. And then you will be asked to specify the first origin line. So select this one. Okay, drag it on all endpoints. Okay, be sure that you have attached this to all endpoints. And then you have all the complete dimensions, inner dimension. And then you have to come up with the overall dimension. So click first object here, endpoint. Second point at endpoint here, drag it out. That is your overall dimension. Do the same under vertical. Okay, again, dimension, first object, endpoint, second object, endpoint, drag it out at least 1 centimeter. Click, and then on your command window, command DIM, enter. Okay, select continue for continuous dimension. Select this one and then drag it. Okay, again, command dimension, dim, enter. Okay, select dim, continue, and then select this one and then drag it at all endpoints. Okay, and then lastly, have the overall dimension. Select this one again and then overall dimension, this point to this point, drag it out and then click. Okay, so you're now ready to prepare this for conversion to PDF. So to save this, Control S, okay, and then from your command window, press F2 again, okay, and then kindly do screenshot of your recent, okay, set of last commands, okay, for proper preview together with the final output as seen on the diagram. Okay, so for the conversion of the PDF, there is a another set of demo that you can follow, okay, when you convert this to PDF.